Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today we will concentrate on 4 words: bring, certain, cry, correct. So let's begin with the first word, bring. B-R-I-N-G, bring. Bring in, bring on, bring up, bring down, bring forward. Can you bring me a glass of water? Yeah, sure. Can I bring Romy to the party? Sure, you can. Bring Romy along. Raj, will you please bring me my glasses? Yes, here are your glasses. What will Rita bring for the picnic? Rita will bring sandwiches. And what about you? What are you going to bring? I'll bring some fruits. Can I bring my friends to the picnic? Sure, you can bring your friends. The second word is certain. C-R-T-A-I-N, certain. Be certain. Certainly, certain amount, certain time, certain condition, certain about. May I use your pen? Certainly. Do you speak Gujarati? Not much, but I can understand Gujarati to a certain extent. Rita is certain to pass the exam. And she will succeed, that is certain. Please make certain your seat belt is fastened. Playing chess requires a certain amount of skill. Death is certain to come to everybody. The third word is cry, C-R-Y, cry. Cry for help, a baby's cry, a bird cry. Babies are born with the ability to cry. They cry when they are hungry. They cry when they are in pain. It's hard to handle crying babies, isn't it? Yeah, we have to know how to pacify crying babies. Tina cried when she heard the story. Hey Tina, it's only a story, don't cry. Tina stopped crying and began to smile. Why do owls cry out at night? Because owls are nocturnal creatures. The fourth word is correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. Correct answer, correct information, correct time, correct day. Correct a mistake. There are 4 choices to this question. Tick the correct answer. When you do a mistake, correct it and learn something from it. Am I correct? Yes, you are correct. Correct me if I am wrong. You are absolutely correct. What's the teacher doing? The teacher is correcting exam papers. So that's all for you in today's lesson. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Be happy always.